friends, do you want to learn something new? Would you like to become a pro in AutoCAD, Excel or SolidWorks? If so, this is the right channel for you. If you are new to my channel or have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Once subscribed, click on the bell icon and select the option all. If you find this video interesting and helpful, please put a like and share your feedback in comment section. Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I am going to explain how to add date picker calendar in an Excel spreadsheet very easily. First, open an Excel file. Click on File. Select Options. Now the Excel Options window is open. Click on Customize ribbon and check on Developer option. Click OK. Now you will find the Developer tab here. Click on the Developer tab and click on Add-ins. Now click on Office Store and you will find this search box. Type in date picker and hit the enter button. Now you will find mini calendar and date picker here. Just add it. Once added, you will get the date picker on the respective Excel sheet. Now, first select the cell where you want the date and move the cursor to the calendar and select the required date. This way, you can select any cell and add a date. If you want the week number, select here. Now you can see the week number here. If you want to change the calendar system, click here. And you can set any desired calendar system. If you want to change the calendar theme, click here. If you want to toggle the calendar size, click here. When you don't want this calendar on the screen, select the calendar from the outside border and hit the delete button. If you need it again, click on Odd Ends and double click here. Again, the calendar is back. Now, the date is not in a good looking format because the month comes first followed by date and year, which does not look that good. So to change the format, right click on the respective cell, select Format Cells. Here, select the desired format. Click on OK and you will get the desired format on the screen. And you can format it. Now let me show you some shortcuts to get the current date and present time. To get the current date, hold the button Control and press semicolon. Another method, type in today and a closed bracket, hit the enter button. Same result. To get the present time, press the buttons Ctrl, Shift and semicolon. Another method, type in now a closed bracket and hit the enter button. Same result. If you want to get the date and time together, hold the button Ctrl and press semicolon, space, hold the buttons Ctrl, Shift and semicolon. If you want to know the day of the week, select on the date. From the drop down, select long date. Here you go. That's it for the day. I'll soon get back to you people with another useful video. Till then, bye bye.